Good morning students. How are you all? Today we are going to start solution of chapter number 3 fiber to fabric. Question number 1. Define the following terms. First, spinning. The process of making yarn from cotton fiber is called spinning. जब हम कॉटन फाइबर से यार्न बनाते हैं उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? स्पिनिंग. गिनिंग. Fibers are then separated from the seeds by combining. This process is called ginning of cotton. जब कॉटन में से उसके बीज निकाले जाते हैं, सीड्स निकाले जाते हैं, तो वो प्रोसेस को हम गिनिंग कहते हैं. वीविंग. द प्रोसेस ऑफ अरेंजिंग टू सेट्स ऑफ yarn टूगेदर टू मेक फैब्रिक इज कॉल्ड वीविंग. वीविंग किसे कहते हैं? कि जो मशीन्स होते हैं, राइट, उसे हम ऐसे अरेंज करते हैं तो उससे हम क्या बनाते हैं? यार्न को अच्छे से अरेंज करके उसमें से फैब्रिक बनाते हैं. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज वीविंग. चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ज्यूट इज डैश प्लांट फाइबर. प्लांट, एनिमल, सिंथेटिक और नन ऑफ दिस. इट इज एन प्लांट प्रोडक्ट. ज्यूट वी गेट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. Nylon is synthetic fiber. Nylon is a synthetic fiber, natural, animal, synthetic, none of this. So nylon is a synthetic fiber. Acrylic is not a natural fiber. As silk, jute, wool, acrylic. Now acrylic is not a natural fiber, right? So answer is acrylic. The process of making yarn from cotton fiber is called spinning. Right? Answer is spinning. From ginning, spinning, weaving and knitting. Answer is spinning. Next is, which of the following equipment is used for spinning? Needle, loom, charkha or cotton gin. So for making spinning, okay, to take the cloth into spinning position, we use charkha. Because of charkha we can weave clothes. With which invention did people started attaching fabrics to make clothes? Charkha, hand spindle, loom or sewing needle? So here the answer is sewing needles. Okay. So which invention did people start stitching fabric to make clothes? Because in olden days, children, they were hardly getting any cloth to wear. They were using barks and leaves of trees. Fill in the blanks. Plant fibers are obtained from dash and dash. Cotton plant and jute plant. Animal fibers are dash and dash. Silk and wool. Silk fibers is drawn from the dash and dash. Okay, silk fiber is drawn from the cocoon of a silkworm. Silk हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? Silkworm का जो cocoon होता है उसमें से मिलता है. And silkworm is separated. Jute fiber is obtained by rotting stem of a jute plant. How we get jute fiber? By rotting them of jute stem, यानी jute plant stem. From there we can make. Next is wool is obtained from the dash of ship. वूल हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? शिप के हेयर में से. एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फ्लीस. कॉटन प्लांट्स ग्रो बेटर इन डैश सॉइल. इट ग्रोज बेटर इन ब्लैक सॉइल. जूट इज कल्टिवेटेड ड्यूरिंग द डैश सीजन. Jute is cultivated most probably in rainy season. Take true or false. Yarn is made from fibers. True. Spinning is a process of making fibers. It is false. Spinning से हम it is not getting by process of making fibers. Jute is our covering of coconut. It is true. Weaving of yarn makes a piece of traffic easy. Next, polyester is a natural fiber. It is true. Now when we wear polyester things, children, we feel very, very hot. Match the following. A. Cotton, towel. Silk, it is costly sari. From silk we can make costly sari. Wool, we can make sweater. Jute, for jute the answer is sack. Okay children, with this I complete my session. In next session we will discuss without question and answer. Thank you and have a nice day.